Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from CooDeals. They were kind enough to let me choose some paintings. So we'll start with the small one, or the smallest one of my choices this time. So I went for a landscape. Now I must say, CooDeals, the parcel arrived to me wrapped, so the paintings were together, then they were wrapped in bubble wrap. They also tend to use polystyrene if you have ones that are different lengths. So because these were different lengths, there was polystyrene here to stop this one moving up and down, or to stop these from getting crushed. So the whole thing was then wrapped in bubble wrap and then it was put into a mailer bag. So I do just want to let you know sort of how they arrive. The packaging is different to other suppliers that have sent to me, and yeah, I've been really impressed with the way they arrive. But this first painting is a gorgeous landscape. It actually has 25 different colours. It is a square, I think. Yes, it is a square painting. There's quite a few square paintings. In fact, I may have got quite a few square paintings. This one is 35 centimetres by 25 centimetres, so you do need to allow 5 centimetres or 2.5 centimetres all the way around for a border to be able to determine the actual size. But that's the image. And what I also like about CooDeals is you do get an inventory sheet, so that is great when it comes to kitting up. So this is your symbol on the chart and this is your DMC number. Then you have your quantity and your weight. So that's quantity and weight. These actually seem to be the symbols again. They also tend to use numbers followed by letters, which I just find so much easier, because saying the letter A repeatedly in your head as you're doing a diamond painting is a lot easier than trying to come up with a name for a symbol. It's the little things. But these are the gorgeous colours. They all also come in bags, which makes it really, really easy to kit up. But we've got some gorgeous orange. It's yellow, but it's got a little bit of a burnt yellow look to it. We've got some more burnt orange there, gorgeous reds, greens. We've got a little bit of a pop of colour with the blue in the sky, and we've got some more sort of more of a mustardy yellow in there as well. So absolutely gorgeous colours that will make up this beautiful scene. So that is painting number one. I'm actually going to wrap the diamonds back up. Just better to be safe, isn't it, and have them together. You do also get a nice toolkit. You get the white boat, a little bit nicer than the green boat because it has a spout for you to tip the diamonds out of. They also give you a 3-placer. So that is number one, and I will pop links to all of these down below. The next one, we're going colour. This is a 40 by 40, so it is bigger. I think it might also be a square. I'm pretty sure this one's also a square, yes, because they do tend to, the symbols down the side, so down here, these are done in a square. They tend to do these in a circle if the diamonds are circles. I might have a circle one for the next one. I'm actually not sure. It might be squared again. But there are definitely some circle ones that I've unboxed in my last video. But this I thought was a gorgeous image with a nice amount of colour. So this again is 35 by 35 once you take off that border. But yeah, we've got some beautiful colours in here. I just think it is a lovely sort of dramatic photo. It has 25 different colours. There is the original image, and I think you can perfectly tell what it is. Inventory sheet again, which is fantastic, but look at some of the colours in here. So we've got some gorgeous purple, then we've got a bright yellow. We do have some black, and then of course we have the brown for the skin tones. We have orange. We even have a little bit of turquoise. Can you see it there next to the white? And then there is also some pink as well. But with those black sort of outlines, so there's a lot of black in the patterns here, makes the colours really, really pop. So yeah, it just struck me. It jumped out at me. Do get, of course, a decent toolkit to go with. So that one is my choice number 2. And then number 3, no, looks like we're square again. It's all squares today, but that's fine, because we like squares. This one is definitely a more subdued, but equally stunning. This would make an amazing piece of decor in your house, I think. There's nothing like a forest with a couple of little deer. You can imagine yourself, it's a bit more tranquil. So this would look gorgeous in a bathroom, or even a bedroom, or even a front room probably. So it is 55 by 35. So take 5 centimetres off each for your 60 by 40. Do have quite a bit of black, so the trunks of the trees, due to the darkness, will show as black. But there's 24 different colours, lots of different greens. So while we do have places where there is a block where it's just black, when you then get into the green, there is loads of them. It's quite confetti, which will be quite a nice change from the black, but in turn it will give you this gorgeous tree look. Oh, we get 2 pieces of wax in this one. Again, they've just used the letters and numbers symbol, and that's the original image that shows on the website. Look, oh, we have 4 bags of 310. So there is 4 bags of 310, but then look at all these beautiful greens, browns. We've got sort of a greeny yellow. We've got a green with a, well, white with a hint of green, sort of a very, very pale green. We've also got a little bit of brown and these sort of creamy colours, a bit more brown here as well, and that will be for the little deer that are hiding in the woodlands. I say hiding, it's where they live, isn't it? But yeah, gorgeous colours in that one, and I think, as I say, this would make a stunning piece of art for a room in your home. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the other 2, but it depends whether you want calm or whether you want funky. You've got a couple of different options. As I say, these are all in the square variety for this one. But I'm pretty sure most of these are available in round. At least some of them are available in round as well. So do check out the links below. I'll pop a link for each of these, but of course feel free to go and have a browse at some other goodies that they have. But yeah, I'm very impressed with the packaging. The symbols are really nice, especially being just letters and numbers. I think it keeps it nice, straightforward and simple. And I love the fact that we have an inventory sheet and the diamonds in bags. So much easier when it comes to kitting up. But anyway, thank you to CooDeals for sending me these to share with you. And thank you to you guys for watching. I'll speak to you all again soon.